Start streaming. To start saving. Quack, quack, quack. Start streaming. To start saving. Quack, quack.
What's up, Tri-Streams, the Duck? We are happy to announce that the Duck Pro is going to be upgraded to the Duck 2020 free of charge for all of our active Duck Pro customers. Just go to Google, search us. We're friends with those guys. We should pop up. Here is the website, and you can click on the Duck Pro. And it's going to give you instructions on how to convert over to the Duck 2020. Basically, come over to our installation page, click on that. It'll show you how to install the Duck 2020, just like installing the Duck Pro. Then shoot us a text, 844-99-DUCKS, and we will get you your username and password, and then just simply log in. Part of the reason for the upgrade is it's going to allow for automatic billing. Once you log in, you're going to be able to renew your account automatically and give you a little more control and features on your own account. So for current active members, once you want to make a payment on your next bill, you just come in here and go into our new updated platform. You'll be able to log in. And once you're logged in, you'll be able to come down here and extend your account, and it will be immediate. You would just click on which option you would like, and then extend service, enter your billing information, and everything is taken care of for you. As always, if you got questions, send us a text at 844-99-DUCKS. Happy streaming!